Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we are receiving some pretty strong information about the Google I/O event that's going to be held on May 10th. We're going to have a couple new devices hopefully coming at that event. Some pretty strong rumors for a Pixel Fold will be coming on May 10th for announcement and pre-order either on May 10th or shortly thereafter, with a slated end of June release date where it actually ships. Which would make sense timing-wise because Samsung usually releases their Fold around August. So we would get a Pixel Fold right before Samsung is slated to release their Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. So Google would beat them to the punch on that update, which would be good for business for Google, especially releasing a pretty major competitor here in the US to the Z Fold 4. We really don't have any foldable competitors in the U.S. other than the folds from Samsung. There are really no other manufacturers of folding devices that are sold here in the U.S. directly. So makes sense that we would see it then. Price right now on the rumors, on the leaks, is starting at $17.99. So a little bit higher than we were hoping to see. We were kind of hoping to see the $1,400 to $1,500 range for a starting price, but it is a new device, so hopefully that will come down over time. Hopefully we get some pretty good base storage specs on the Pixel Fold. And also Google is set to release the Pixel 7a starting at $499 on May 10th, with ordering available right then on May 10th, and the device will start shipping soon after that in May. So the Pixel 7a also going to get some upgrades to the cameras, the screen, that kind of stuff, and the Pixel 6a will remain a lower priced device and be sold alongside the Pixel 7a for $499. So hopefully we do see these things come out in May. Google I/O is on May 10th. We're basically certain to get the Pixel 7a, and then it is a pretty strong rumor right now that we will be seeing the release of the Pixel Fold as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.